Bad Boy 2012's little brother. My name's Dylan. I'm doing a review today for a double barrel shotgun Busby gun, and you come with 6 darts and 4 cartridges. This can flip open and you can put 2 in there, and you've got armrest when you can go like that. It's got good sight to there. It's when you put it back, you put the 2 cartridges in, 2 there, and that is a clip-on bit, and that's quite useful, but sadly mine broke. And it's quite this double barrel shotgun is quite good. You just pull it back, put it in, and it's got good sight, and I think it's about 5 meters long, and
it's about 2 foot long,
yeah,
not 5 meters long, Dylan.
Yeah, and it's quite useful in a Nerf Common War, and because I told you about the back bit, it's good like that, and it's quite good. But it's got quite long, like
range.
It's got and I like you can do. If you're really good at take it off and put it on, you could just do. I normally just go like slow. Let's get it's good. And okay, bye folks.
Alright, that was Bad Boy 2012's brother signing out. Say goodbye.
Bye.